Welcome to I Need Scholarship channel. If you are new here on my channel, then subscribe and click on bell icon button for upcoming scholarship. Hi everyone, today we know that how to apply for Gemini scholarships in UK. First open your browser and search ineedscholarship.com website. Go to this website. The scholarship website is open. Now search here Gemini scholarships in UK. Open this post. The post is open. British Gemini scholarships in UK, British University Scholarship 2022. Gemini scholarship in UK fully funded. It is a fully funded scholarship study in UK for all international students can apply for this scholarship. If you are interested in this scholarship, then don't waste your time. Apply soon as possible. If you want to apply for this international student loan, then click on apply buttons. Check all the detail of the Gemini scholarships in UK. About Gemini scholarships, all detail are mentioned here. You read all this article. Your 8 questions are mentioned here in this article. How can apply for Gemini scholarships? All detail are mentioned here. Eligibility criteria of the scholarship. If you want to check the university courses, then click on this link. Applicants who are not eligible for Gemini scholarships, the detail about these not eligible scholarships are mentioned here. Guidance. Read all these steps. Find a course. The key point of reference letter. How to successful Gemini scholarships application forms. Please read all this point for your successful application. Deadline. The deadline of the Gemini scholarships 2020 and 26 November to 2021. The Gemini course are also opens. Read all these eligibility courses. Now, if you want to apply for this scholarship, then click on apply buttons. If you want to check official website of the scholarship, then click on this link. The official website of the Gemini scholarships are open here. Select your country and your selected awards. Select your country. Suppose your country is Ukraine, and select the awards, fellowship or scholarships. Search here. Select your own country and all the detail about this scholarship in Ukraine. This doesn't matter from your seat. You select your own country and all detail about your country is open here. Feedback, application guardians, you can read it. Application websites are open here. If you want to apply for the scholarships, first select your country. Suppose your country is Armenia and award scholarships, then search. The detail of the Gemini scholarships in Armenia are open here. Application for 2020 and 23, required documents and selection updates and timeline, feedback, application guideline, references, interviews, and now click on apply buttons. If you have already accounts, then write here your email and password. If you are new here on this portal, then click on register buttons. After register button, click on accept. Title, fill these titles. Fill this form, select fonts. Click on I am Mr. and author preferred title. Write your first name, last name. Name I prefer to be called. Email address, confirm email address. Write here your telephone number, home number, Skype ID, address line, city, state, province, Z postal codes, and select your territory and residence. Select your own country. Suppose your country is Armenia, then select this and click on submit buttons. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and also check this. I have checked all these details, and now click on submit button. The submit button